welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Apple Watch Series 7 specifically. So let's get right into it and let me show you guys how to do it. Okay guys, so let me show you how to do this factory reset. So you are going to press your digital crown once so that you go to your main page. You're going to find settings. You're going to go around and find it. Settings usually looks like that, kind of like how it looks like on your iPhone. You're going to press your settings. Okay, and then you're going to scroll up to general. Okay, so you press general. And then under general, it has a whole bunch of options. So you really got to keep scrolling until you see reset. All right. And it's usually at the bottom. So you press reset. And then it's going to say erase all content and settings. And you would just press that and you would go into a whole loading page and it would just erase every single thing from your Apple Watch, and you can read it and see. There's also an option to reset home screen layout, but that would not erase everything on the Apple Watch. So what you want to press, like I said, is this right here, erase all content and settings, and that's it. That would be how you factory reset your Apple Watch. Thank you, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!